Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view your Home Depot credit card statement step by step. First, go to homedepot.com and click on My Account section at the top of the page. If you're new, you can register for an account. If you already have one, click Sign In. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then type in your password. If you want to stay signed in, check the box and hit the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, click on My Account again. And from the drop-down, select My Home Depot credit card. On this page, you'll see a button called View Statements. Click on it to open your Statements tab. Here, you'll see your most recent statement as well as your recent activity. Scroll down until you find the Download Statement option. Select the date range for the statement you want and choose the file format, for example, PDF. Finally, click the big download button and your statement will be saved directly to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and downloaded your Home Depot credit card statement. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.